So these are Ghibli Studio Image Style created using ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you simple steps on how you can create this. Very simple. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can get each and every detailed tutorial on how you can get yours done. Make sure you give a like and subscribe for more. So when you come into your browser and type down your ChatGPT, if you want to make use of the browser, fine. If you want to make use of the app itself, it's still fine, but you make sure you put in the right prompts. When you come and then you click this plus button and then you upload the image you want to make use of. This is the image I have uploaded, and this is a prompt in which I wrote, turn this into a Ghibli Studio image style, and it's gonna take for about 2 minutes to generate it to you. And here is the results. And I say, okay, let me try another image. This is the image, and now this is the result. But I wasn't comfortable or wasn't satisfied with the result, because if you look at it, you'll see it gives it a old man face, which is not so in the original image or picture. There is no white hair on it, but it gives it in this Ghibli Studio style. So what I did is to request some changes, and this is the prompt I put in. Make the face look identical to the original picture, and don't make it as old man. Remove also the white hair. So I'm waiting for it to get created. It's going to take about 2 minutes for it to generate the changes. So stay with me and let's see the outcome. So here is the changes. Wow, at least this one is looking more identical. At least it's much more better than this. Oh, so here's the original picture. Hope you are seeing it. And this is what was given, and I edited it with my prompt, and this is the final result. If you like these features, I would like you to give it a trial, and then you come back and leave your comment. But before you leave, do well to give a like to this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Leave in your comment if you find this helpful. Also, see you in another video.